Hey, Alice here, and today is the last Forward Friday of the month. This book that we are talking about this week, this last book, is The E-Myth Revisited. And again, this book has been instrumental in so many people being able to get themselves from cleaning to leading. That could be you, if that's not you already. And if you are already leading and you want to get out of the leading and you want to begin doing other things, this book can help you with that as well. There is a time and a place for you to be doing the work. And there's a time and a place for other people to be doing the work. If you're in a position where other people should be doing the work, but you don't have the consistent systems and the standardized systems that you need, that's on you. That's all you, y'all. So Forward Friday is about figuring out what do you need to do next steps to get to your next future. Whether your next future is 6 months from now, 1 year from now, 18 months from now, or 5 years from now, what do you need to put in place to be able to make sure that everything is able to be done by someone else other than you? Now, what you might need to do for this is for you to create the system for other people to know how to move a system forward and how they can routinely and systematically create all new systems within a structure that will work so that anyone can do it after the very first time. Right now, most likely what you're doing is you're figuring out how you're going to do something, you start doing something, you begin to take notes on it, you begin to capture the information about how to do the thing, but it doesn't get finalized, it doesn't get finished. But you need to be able to finish it, and you need to be able to finish it every single time as part of your SOP. So every new system needs to have a plan for how to implement it. And the first part of the plan is, before we implement, is to capture the SOP about how to do the thing. Was that a little confusing? So many different circular references, right? But to be able to move forward in your business and in your life to the next place, wherever that is, you are going to have to be able to get other people to build those systems and processes without you automatically. Create an SOP, y'all. That's it. Okay, talk to you later. And your daily action is create the SOP for creating SOPs. Oh, it's so confusing. It's like we're in a mirror world. All right, that's it. Talk to y'all later and have a great day. Bye.